Listen and practice. From sunrise to starlight, a day in our family's life. My family's day is like a fun adventure. In the morning, Mommy and Daddy wake up first. They make yummy breakfast for us. Mommy makes toast. Daddy pours cereal with milk. I love eating it. Then, my big brother and I get ready for school. We put on our clothes and brush our teeth. Mommy helps me tie my shoes, and we all leave for school. After school, we come back home. Mommy makes a tasty lunch, like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. My brother and I do our homework while Mommy helps us. Daddy works on his computer from home. In the evening, we have a delicious dinner together. Sometimes, we play games or watch cartoons. Before bed, Mommy reads a bedtime story to me. Daddy helps my brother with his math. We all go to sleep, and I dream of more fun adventures with my family. Listen and repeat. From sunrise to starlight, a day in our family's life. From sunrise to starlight, a day in our family's life. My family's day is like a fun adventure. My family's day is like a fun adventure. In the morning, Mommy and Daddy wake up first. In the morning, Mommy and Daddy wake up first. They make yummy breakfast for us. They make yummy breakfast for us. Mommy makes toast. Mommy makes toast. Daddy pours cereal with milk. Daddy pours cereal with milk. I love eating it. I love eating it. Then, my big brother and I get ready for school. Then, my big brother and I get ready for school. We put on our clothes and brush our teeth. We put on our clothes and brush our teeth. Mommy helps me tie my shoes, and we all leave for school. Mommy helps me tie my shoes, and we all leave for school. After school, we come back home. After school, we come back home. Mommy makes a tasty lunch, like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Mommy makes a tasty lunch, like peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. My brother and I do our homework while Mommy helps us. My brother and I do our homework while Mommy helps us. Daddy works on his computer from home. Daddy works on his computer from home. In the evening, we have a delicious dinner together. In the evening, we have a delicious dinner together. Sometimes, we play games or watch cartoons. Sometimes, we play games or watch cartoons. Before bed, Mommy reads a bedtime story to me. Before bed, Mommy reads a bedtime story to me. Daddy helps my brother with his math. Daddy helps my brother with his math. We all go to sleep, and I dream of more fun adventures with my family. We all go to sleep, and I dream of more fun adventures with my family. Question 1. What does Mommy make for breakfast in the morning? A. Pancakes. B. Toast. C. Waffles. D. French fries.
Time's over.
Question 2. What do the children eat for lunch? A. Pizza. B. Ice cream. C. Sushi. D. Peanut butter and jelly sandwiches.
Time's over.
Question 3. What does Mommy do before bedtime? A. She goes for a walk. B. She reads a bedtime story. C. She watches a movie. D. She does yoga.
Time's over.
Question 4. Who helps the children get ready for school in the morning? A. Mommy. B. Daddy. C. Both. D. No one.
Time's over.